Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Accord cabin air filter. First, open your glove box completely. You'll then need to detach the damper arm on the right side. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the retaining stops. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. Once the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular plastic cover. There are two clips, one on each side, that hold it in place. Gently unclip these tabs. After releasing the clips, pull the cover straight off to reveal the old filter inside. Be careful not to force it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car tips. Quick recommendation. After changing your cabin filter, why not make your car smell amazing? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before removing the old filter, take a quick look at the airflow arrow printed on its side. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Now, simply slide the old filter straight out of its slot. You'll likely see a lot of leaves, dust, and other debris trapped in it, which shows it was doing its job. Now, grab your new cabin air filter. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one did, usually downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. This protects the filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.